trying to find the energy to start taking the wallpaper off my cabinet. I just feel like I'm scared. I'm scared because I know that it's going to take so much time. I can already tell because I tried to do it a little bit. And it doesn't help that I have my nails on. I just feel like it's about to be like a whole week process. It is not looking too good for me. I just started taking off this contact paper off of my cabinets. You can already see leftover adhesive. Because right now, it looks like I'm gonna have to put in work.
Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee.
So my assumption that I'd have to put in work was 1000% correct, because this peeling stick seemed to be fighting back as I was trying to remove it, but not completely unexpected as it was installed 5 years ago. While I tried to cold turkey the removal with just my fingers, I quickly realized that would not work and took out the blow dryer to heat up the adhesive to make it easier to remove. As you can see, I still didn't know what I was doing and did not realize until way later I should hold the heat or the blow dryer to the contact paper for at least a few seconds before attempting to pull it off instead of just pulling it off immediately. Favorite thing about using the blow dryer is I feel like it leaves a lot of sticky residue behind. Oh my freaking god, what did I get myself into? The only saving grace is I know that I covered a lot of the cabinets down here with cardboard, so I'm not gonna have as much of an issue, but y'all, and I think I need to tackle this when I don't have nails on, because we're literally struggling to even like get in here because I can't get a good grip. Now it's coming off easier. Oh, oh. I forgot that.
Like that boy is a cap, saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause you know that it's fat.
I actually started getting nervous as I was removing the contact paper because it seemed like pieces of the cabinet was coming off with the contact paper. I was like,
and I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
let me just say, this nail glue that I'm using, that I just started using, like, this crap is strong, because all this I'm doing with press on nails, they are not budging. Obviously, the areas with the cardboard covering were the easiest to remove. A literal blessing in disguise. Guys, it literally wasn't until around this point that I realized holding the heat to the plastic for a few seconds before attempting to remove it was how the heat removal method worked. Before, I literally, as I said before, I was literally just turning on the blow dryer, the heat, and just started pulling and tugging. And I'm telling you, like, that hurt my fingers so much. Do you guys see how the cabinets were looking even before? Or is that because it was covered up this entire time? Now I'm wondering if I should even rewrap the cabinets, y'all. I'm scared. I'm gonna have to review videos of when I first moved in to see how they look. Seems like now that I kind of have a method, it may go a little bit faster. But first things first, after this hour is up, I am going to take these nails off. Because right now the problem is, like, I can't grab. It's so hard for me to grab. Tired. At this point, I've been working on this for a little over an hour. This process for me was very exhausting and tedious, honestly. So this is how we're looking after 1 hour of working on it, and I will see you guys in day 2. Day 2, I focused on the upper cabinets first, which I removed completely to take off the peeling stick. I am a literal glutton for punishment because you will see throughout this video, instead of using the method that obviously worked, the blow dryer heat method, I would try to remove the paper with just my hands. The best way to explain is that like the sound of the blow dryer combined with like the heat on my hand, it literally had me feeling like it was too much, overstimulated me a little bit. So I was just like, let me just use my hands, but my hands wasn't getting me anywhere. This one I had wrapped it I think 3 years ago, so it doesn't feel as sticky as the other ones, but I had used double stick tape for the cardboard, and I don't know if you guys can see, like one of them is like still on it, but yeah, we will not be doing that again. We are just gonna stick to our method of using just regular Scotch tape over it and not double stick tape, because yeah, now I'm left with the job of taking it off. But I'm telling you, like this was not my goal when I put this on here, but the fact that there is no peeling stick makes it so much easier. Like in my head, I'm like, second application, cardboard is going all the way to the edge top, to the top edge. I'm not the only thing I'll be cleaning is the sides. That's it. Guys, a little preview of what is to come. This is the color that I think I'm going to rewrap the cabinets in. I already purchased it from Amazon. They were about $44 per roll. I am going to, oh thank God. I was so scared the texture was gonna be matte, but it's not. It's wipeable, so that's great.
Running back to the strip club, I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I paid enough of petty dues. I put enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes. This I would stand up, dirty men like, ooh, better day than yesterday. Ooh, I just think
this is why I caution against using the cheaper paper, because I have been at this middle area of my cabinets for the longest, because this is where I use the cheaper contact paper. It does come off great though, because there's literally like, there's no stickiness. It's crazy to me that there's barely any stickiness on this stuff, but there's a lot of stickiness on these. But yeah, cheap contact paper is not your friend, because I am struggling to get it off right now. It is so thin, I don't even know where it's at. Low-key wondering to myself if I can put cardboard over this for every contact paper, just so that I don't have to deal with the hubbub of taking it off afterwards. So this is after another hour. So now we have been working on this for 3.5 hours. I have mostly all the cabinets off except for this. I think this, I had used heat to adhere it, and that's why it's taking so long to, it's like really hard to get it off. But I got off all of these up to here. I still have a little bit of that to get off, so I just have that, and then the sides over here. So just these two sides is left to do, and I did get the side over here, so all that is done. All I need to do is finish that little strip, clean the cabinets off, and put them back. However, my fingers are in pain. I don't know if there's an easier way to do this, but my fingers are not loving the work that it's had to put in recently. The doors by far are gonna take the most to clean the goop off. It's got me wondering if I even need to do another application. So to clean, I used the Glue Gun to remove the excess adhesive from the cabinet. You basically just spray it on, let it sit for a minute or two, and then you will see the adhesive kind of like rise up a little bit, and then you just use like a microfiber cloth and wipe it away, and the adhesive will come off. I must admit that I was a bit excessive with the cleaning. That's because I plan to reapply more peel and stick to the cabinets after this. So after wiping down with the Goo Gone, which has like an oily feel, I did use soap and water to wipe the cabinets down 2 times. Then I used like a third cloth to wipe it with just water so that I could get any kind of like excess residue off of it, so that the second peel and stick paper would like stick correctly. And guys, after about 6 hours of total work, the cabinets look like they never had contact paper on them, and dare I say even better than when I first moved in, because they were clean. But anyway, thank you guys for stopping by and watching another video. I just realized at the very end I never said what this channel is. This is Juju's Journey. My channel caters to here and home. I hope you guys enjoy this video. The next video in the apartment update series should be reapplying contact paper, so hopefully you guys will stop by and watch the next video. Thank you.